we are going to know about TDS meter. Full form of TDS is total dissolved solid. TDS meter helps to test water by test water. Is it good for health or not? In our daily life, this is important because if water is not good, then we will get diseases. That's why this is important for testing the water. Now let's open it. This is the screen and there are 3 buttons: hold, temperature, on off. This is screen. In this screen we can see the number. Now let's check the water. Now we will check tap water. Now we got 501 ppm. Now we will check RO water. Here RO water is 106 ppm. Bye friends. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.